presenting a pre-owned 2019 BMW X3. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This BMW has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include luxury package, premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, moonroof, and heated front seats.